People are asking for Volkswagen. Do you want to look at it?
All right, let's look at it.
What's the ticker?
Okay.
I don't have a data feed for international companies yet, so this will be
The ticker
on
is
Y charts.
VWAGY. Is that correct? Volkswagen Group, internationally known Volkswagen, German multinational automotive manufacturing corporation in Wolfsburg.
So I want to make some
Germany.
comments here.
Please do.
Look at their gross margin, 17.5%. Tesla was 21%. But Tesla gets a big rebate every year. That's a big chunk of the 21%. That accounts for about 6%. You take that out, Tesla is actually lower than Volkswagen's gross margin. That means in every unit they sell, Tesla makes less money as a percentage of the revenue than Volkswagen. So Tesla, this brilliant company, amazing technology, everything, they can't make more than even Volkswagen. Your daughter who has a Jetta, Volkswagen made more money on you and your daughter than Tesla makes on the daddy's Tesla, whatever it is, right? It's just, I don't get that. People talk about these margins. Bottom line margin, double. 4.6 versus 2.2. They pay a dividend. Oh, and by the way, revenue, $230 billion versus $32 billion from Tesla, which includes other revenue from other things besides the cars. PE ratio is really high here, 40. That's an X. The margin is an X, and we will be changing these two things here soon, but so far 2 X's to go. No, 1 X and 2 X's to start.
Yeah, 2 X's. Let's go to what is their revenue growth over the past 5 years, Paul?
Let's just go. They did about $230 billion last year. So they are a check still. I mean, let's go to 2019 numbers. It's still a check mark there. So remember, guys, these are 2015 and 19 numbers. They don't have 2020 in there yet for some reason. Profit growth, check mark, negative $1.5 billion to a profit of $15.5 billion. And this was probably the year of their big emissions scandal. What was that? What was their emissions thing?
I don't recall.
Remember they had
They were with their diesels. It was them and, well, they own Audi, I guess, or whatever. But they were lying about their emissions in the diesels, and they were actually not clean for the earth and all this.
And they're back.
Stuff. Yeah, they're back, baby.
$5 billion in share, 5 billion shares versus 5 billion shares. It's a check mark and it stayed the same. Shares outstanding, stay the same.
Nice.
Balance sheet.
Current assets over current liabilities is pillar number 6.
$240 billion versus 214, check mark there.
Nice.
Cash flow.
Free cash flow growth. Oh,
So
boy.
we're back to Y charts. Remember on our free cash flow number, on our software, it tells you the number right below, so you have to do the math. But Seth, you ready?
Unfortunately, I am.
Negative $5 billion to negative $1.6 billion. So it's a check mark, but they're all negative numbers.
So no free cash flow.
There hasn't been free cash flow in this company. I'm avoiding. How do they not have free cash flow?
Oh my gosh.
I remember this now. They have no free cash flow.
This is weird.
Yeah. So one of the things you guys might want to check out, capital expenditures can be split up into 2 different kinds of expenditures. Growth and maintenance. Now, when I say growth and maintenance, not all companies split these up. You want to take this number out of capital expenditures, the growth part. As an example, if you have an apartment building and you are putting capital expenditures in there, a maintenance one would be a roof. Something that doesn't actually add money, add revenue to the property. Growth would be rehabbing a kitchen or bathroom that's going to increase your rents. That one should not be penalized in the capital expenditure number. Not all companies split this apart. In fact, most companies do not. But this is something important to know whenever you're looking at capital expenditures. I'd be interested to find out how much of these capital expenditures were for new factories to build better cars. Now, granted, all these years having huge numbers, I have a hard time believing they're building factories every single year. But this is already an X on price of free cash flow because it's negative over the last 5 years. So I can't even come up with a free cash flow number.
Trader Mo?
Sure.
Trading aspect on
So this
Volkswagen.
is foreign. I don't do foreign companies. I never trade foreign companies. I never will trade foreign companies. But if you want to trade a foreign company like this one, they've gotten a big influx of volume the past week or so. I don't know what's happening. But what you need to do, I mean, they ran up. Wait, hold on, this is white. Okay, they ran up really high up here, above almost $50 a share recently. So if you do anything with this, you need to get green engulfing candlesticks moving up like this. At least break out above this 42, 43 area. You need to get over top of where, let's see, what's this? Probably last Wednesday. See where last Wednesday's price closed. You need to break out above that before you do anything in this. But again, there's so many US companies, I don't know why anybody would go and trade foreign.
So Paul, it's a no-go on Volkswagen, huh?
Bye-bye.
That's our take. All right, guys, make sure you're tickling the thumbs up. You're going to like this because I got that now. Oh my God. So when we're tickling Paul's belly, I got a new sound effect for you, Paul. It's great. Thanks so much for watching the video. We hope you were intrigued. If this style of investing speaks to you, click the link below to join our Patreon. As a patron, you get access to a wonderful community of like-minded investors where you can chat, connect, ask questions, and share ideas with badasses like you all over the world. The best part is you get the amazing Everything Money software. This is revolutionary, unlike any YouTube page. You can track your investments, look at stocks, and quickly run our 8-pillar analysis on any company you like. The top tier patrons get direct access to Paul and Trader Mo. You'll see their daily trades, their updated portfolios, and every options contract they write on a daily basis. We provide Patreon exclusive videos just for you, including live streams and exclusive content from our team. Our bottom patron tiers fill fast, so join today. But hey, if you don't believe me, look at all of our patrons' amazing success stories. In comparison to other financial platforms, our software is by far the best value. This is your chance to get serious about investing. If you're finally ready to level up your investing game, join our Patreon and let's start kicking ass together.